on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm gonna be doing a little bit of a front suspension overhaul on my brother's car. We're gonna be doing struts, control arms, sway bar links, outer tie rods, the hub assemblies, you know, hopefully give them a little bit of a smoother ride. So let's head over there and get it done. Hopefully I can knock it out tonight. And eventually I'm gonna be doing the front suspension on this one. I think I got everything that I need. I want to get the whole front suspension redone just because I'm gonna be putting a set of rims on it soon, maybe next month, some 22x12. So I like to have it all running, you know, decent, and then I'll get to the back in the future. The back's not that bad, leaf springs and some shackles. So let's see what we can do today. Boom. Not that bad. Just gotta change that outer tie rod and pretty much assemble that whole knee assembly. guys, so one side's done. I gotta just knock out the other one. It ain't too bad. So most of these parts we got them from I think it was A&M. Yeah, A&M Auto Parts. So pretty much the whole front suspension for a reasonable price. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and jump on the other side, try to knock it out tonight, and be done with it. Welcome back, everybody. So my phone died yesterday while I was cutting off the tie rod end bolt because it kind of seized up on me. But I was able to knock it out last night. I did have to go to the auto parts store yesterday to go buy some lug nuts because 3 of the lug nuts on the driver's side were cross-threaded, so I didn't want to put those back on there. But he actually just took it to go get an alignment. And when he comes back, I'll still have to do, I think the kit came with the rear links for the sway bar, so I'll throw those in there, and then I guess he has a knock in his dash, which is common in the Impalas. Take a look at that. But my buddy just finally dropped off his 2-door Tahoe, and we're gonna be doing quite a bit of work to it. Kind of stoked about it. Hopefully I can knock out the flip kit if I can get focused on it. He got a flip kit. We won't be using these in-frame notches. We're actually gonna be using these. So, man, I'm pretty stoked about it. I'm gonna go ahead and try to do the flip kit today, knock it out today, and then rearrange it, probably put a nose in, and then probably next week I'll probably do some measurements today, you know, try to find the center of the frame, and then next week I'll jump on cutting it up and everything. So yeah. Guys, so the flip kit is in. It actually dropped it a couple inches more in the back, so I mean, it looks pretty clean. Right now I got it sitting on jack stands. I will be coming in tomorrow, taking off the wheels, you know, cleaning up the frame, pretty much mocking up the C-notch in there, seeing where I'll have to cut the floor at and everything. But yeah, I mean, I think I'm pretty much done for today. I'll probably be running to the hardware store to pick up some stuff that I need. But I mean, yeah, it's getting there. All right, guys, so I wasn't able to head out back to the shop to do more work on the Tahoe, so I'm gonna leave it for next weekend, or by the time I upload this video, it'll be this weekend. But with that being said, this is pretty much it for the video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. You can also follow me on Instagram at chingos_shop. It's pretty much it, man. And this truck right here, we're gonna be doing a coyote swap on it, so man, stick around.